12th question. Two arithmetic progressions have the same common difference. Two arithmetic progressions have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? So here, according to this question, there are two arithmetic progressions are there. So here we will take a A1, B1, C1 and so on. This is the first arithmetic progression. Then next A2, B2, C2, so on. This is the second arithmetic progression. This is one arithmetic progression and this one is the second arithmetic progression. Now here what we should take? Let the first term of two arithmetic progressions be first term. Let the first term of two arithmetic progression be A1 and A2. A1 and A2. Now here you should take A1 is greater than A2. A1 is greater than A2. So next point, let D be the same common difference of two arithmetic progressions. So here common difference is same. Okay, let D be the same common difference of arithmetic progression according to the question. Two arithmetic progressions have the same common difference. Okay, then 100th term of first AP. 100th term of first AP, how to write here? A100 is equal to A1 plus 100th term means n equal to, will take 100 minus, that is n minus 1, it become 100 minus 1 D. Okay, 100th term of first AP. Now this is equal to, what it become here? This implies A1 plus 100 minus 1, it become 99D. This is first one. Okay, similarly, then 100th term of second AP. 100th term of second AP. Second arithmetic progression. Then here, how to take here? A100, that means 100th term, is equal to, now here what is the first term of second AP? A2 is there. So here we should take A2 plus 100 minus 1 into D. So this implies A2 plus 100 minus 1, that is 99D. So this is number 2. Now according to the question, what is given according to this question? Two arithmetic progressions have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. Difference between their 100th term is 100. That means now first one is, according to this question, A1 plus 99D. This is first one, that is 100th term of first arithmetic progression. Next, minus 100th term of second arithmetic progression is A2 plus 99D is equal to, difference between their 100th term is 100. So here you should write 100. Then A1 you should write as it is, plus 99D, then minus into plus, it become minus A2, minus into plus, it become minus 99D is equal to 100. Now next point, plus 99d minus 99d get cancelled. So what is remaining here? A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. So this is third point. So next point, now thousandth term of first AP. Thousandth term of first AP, how to take here? A1000 is equal to A1 plus n minus 1. N means here what we should take here? 1000 minus 1 into D. So this implies A1 plus 1000 minus 1 is 999 into D. Okay. Next point, thousandth term of second AP, second arithmetic progression. Okay, now here A1000 is equal to second arithmetic progression. What is the first term? A2 plus 1000 minus 1 into D. This implies here A2 plus 999D. Now we should find what is the difference between thousandth term of that two arithmetic progression. Now here what we got? Thousandth term A1 plus 999D minus A2 plus 999D. Now what will get answer, that we have to find here. Now here this point will take here down, A1 as it is plus 999D minus A2 minus into plus, it become minus 999D is equal to, now plus 999D minus 999D get cancelled. What is remaining here? A1 minus A2. Okay. Now A1 minus A2 remaining here. Now from A1 minus A2, that is equal to 100. That is equal to 100. So this is from 3. Okay. That means what we understood from this, the difference between their thousandth term is also 100. So therefore here the difference between thousandth term is 100. So this is the solution.